Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Taking a look at our brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. As you know, this is one of Whaler's more new models. This one has the gray hull, chrome graphics, also equipped with a Mercury 300 Verado in the white. Matches the boat very nice. Rod holders in the transom and on the hardtop. Stepping aboard, notice a very large cockpit. The seat here will fold up to give you more room. Live well, upgraded JL sound system. Very large seat to the port side. Moves in a couple different positions. Also folds all the way down to create a lounger. Staying on the side, you'll also notice this boat has a very large head for a 24-foot boat. Decent amount of room in there. Over at the helm, you notice it's fully equipped with a multifunction Raymarine display, Fusion stereo, Mercury vessel view, onboard VHF. Stepping forward to the bow, very deep seating, very comfortable boat to ride in. In the front you'll see a windlass with the remote. You have storage under the seat here. Very solid hardtop on this boat. Thank you for the time to watch this walkthrough. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other inventory, give us a call at our Huntington, New York store. Look forward to hearing from you.